Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
In this episode, we tour Sunshine Holiday Daytona, which is an encore RV resort located in Ormond Beach, Florida. Then we journey to the Ponce Inlet to visit the tallest lighthouse in Florida.
This resort has 602 sites and is made up of 3 circles: the West Circle, the East Circle, and the Sunshine Circle. The sites can accommodate very large rigs, and there is a mix of full hookup sites and sites with only water and electric. There are 19 tent sites in the area surrounding the East Circle. These are rustic sites with no hookups. There are 2 sleeping cabins which accommodate up to 4 guests. Their map also shows 4 vacation cottages, but those are currently unavailable. The resort also has a propane filling station and a dump station. This building houses the office, a restroom with showers, and a very small store. There are 2 laundromats in the campground, one near the store and another in the West Circle. There's a bathhouse in both the West and East Circles. The resort offers many amenities. Some are well kept, like the pool and the beach volleyball court. There's also a nice court set up for both pickleball and tennis. Some other areas could use some TLC, like the shuffleboard court, horseshoes, and the mini golf course.
And here we have horseshoes with dual cup holders on either end for your drinking delight.
You can also challenge yourself with a game of basketball or a racquetball.
I would say don't come here expecting to play any miniature golf for a little bit, as they're redoing this, it looks like. Well, at least tearing it apart.
The large dog park is located between the East and West Circles, so it's relatively easy for everyone to use. There's a nice-sized playground with plenty of room to run off some energy, but there's not much here in terms of equipment.
Mandy's finishing off the treats here. Finishing off the crumbs at the bottom of the treats container. Luca getting some treats out of there too, some crumbs.
The Ponce de Leon Lighthouse and Museum historic site includes 12 buildings, exhibits, and a gift shop, in addition to the main attraction of the beautiful lighthouse.
Construction began on the Ponce de Leon Inlet Lighthouse in 1884, and it was completed in 1887. It stands 175 feet in height and is the tallest lighthouse in Florida. It comes equipped with a third-order Fresnel lens, which has a beacon that can reach up to 20 nautical miles. The lighthouse not only marks the entrance to the inlet, but also warns mariners to adjust their course for the treacherous coastal shoals near Canaveral. Ponce de Leon Inlet Lighthouse was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1998.
This one has a metal fence around to catch your hat if it flies off your head.
Is that what it's for?
That's what I'm saying it's for.
Top flight of stairs seems to be steeper than the rest of the sets of stairs, so be careful.
Behind the lighthouse is the K and Ayers Davies Lighthouse Park, named for the town's first mayor and his wife. On November 11, 2011, the Ponce Inlet Veterans Memorial was dedicated in the park, honoring veterans from World War I through the Persian Gulf War. The park also has a fun playground and public restrooms. Across the street, you'll find the Hidden Treasures Bar and Grill, a large restaurant on the west bank of the Prince Inlet Waterway.
I got key lime tacos with fries, and Mandy got cheesesteak with fries. Thanks everyone for joining us today, and if you found any of this information useful, please give us a like and feel free to subscribe. Take care everyone.